Dear student, today we will discuss about the last vaccine of the EPI program, and that is measles vaccine. So first of all, a little touch should be there related to the measles. So measles is basically one of the acute infectious disease most commonly related to the respiratory system. This disease is most commonly characterized by skin rashes, commonly at the level of neck, trunk, legs and arm region, which is accompanied by elevated body temperature or high fever. Measles is basically caused by one of the RNA virus belong to the family Paramyxoviridae, and this is too much important family related to the measles. As for the common sign symptom of the measles concern, so already we mentioned that this is most commonly the sign symptom related to the respiratory. So more obviously, first there should be elevated body temperature or high body temperature, to be simply known as high fever. The next one, severe dry cough, sore throat, runny nose, and obviously a conjunctivitis like condition should be also there. Whereas for the incubation of measles is concerned, so this is almost 8 to 14 days. Anyhow, the average incubation of the measles is 10 to 12 days. So this was related about the measles, which is one of the infectious disease most commonly caused by RNA type virus belong to the family Paramyxoviridae, and common sign symptom related to the respiratory system like severe dry cough, like runny nose, yes of course, conjunctivitis like condition, headache, fever, yes of course. And as for the incubation is concerned, so that's almost about 8 to 14 weeks, but the average incubation of the measles is most commonly 10 to 12 days. Now come toward the measles vaccine. So measles vaccine, basically the main objective of the measles vaccine is to protect the newborn babies and children from this infectious problem. So as for the type of the vaccine is concerned, so measles vaccine, this is one of the attenuated measles virus. The vaccine is most commonly attenuated vaccine. So type of the vaccine, so measles vaccine is attenuated vaccine. Form of the vaccine, this is a freeze-dried vaccine. Minimum age for the first dose of the measles vaccine. So the first dose of the measles vaccine should be recommended at the age of 9 months. Anyhow, in some condition, we may recommend at the age of 6 months if there is a chance of the epidemic chance of the measles is there. So if the measles have epidemic condition, so then may we recommend at the age of 6 months. Total number of doses to complete the immunization program. So here they have just mentioned one, but it's mostly for the Western society, European society. As for Asian society is concerned, so most commonly 2 doses should be recommended, and according to the EPI schedule for Asian society, so the first dose should be administered at the age of 9 months, where the next dose should be administered at the age of 15 months. So total for the Asian Society, total 2 doses should be recommended to complete the immunization program. Reason, so the basic reason of the measles vaccine is to protect the children and newborn babies from the from infectious disease, that is the measles. This is the basic reason. Number of doses per impule, so 10 for 10 children. 10 doses are there, so single impule may contain 10 doses, and that is for 10 children. Total dosage, total quantity that is to be administered. So most commonly we administer 0.5 ml. So 0.5 ml of the measles vaccine is sufficient. Route of administration, so mostly we take the support of subcutaneous route in case of the measles vaccine. Site of administration, so obviously the outer part of the upper arm, yes, this is the most common region. Storage temperature, so the measles vaccine should be stored at -15 to -25 degrees centigrade or at freeze temperature. Any special precaution regarding the measles vaccine? Yes, special precaution is that if, let's suppose, there is any epidemic condition of the measles, so we recommend the measles vaccine first dose as soon as possible in order to avoid the chances of the spreading of the measles. Side effect, there is no as such clear side effect. Anyhow, maybe fewer chances there. Maybe a pain sensation is there, the site of administration, and a little swelling may be there. Anyhow, you should have to advise that don't worry about these things. Contraindication, if there is any severe reaction to the previous dose, so the coming doses should be avoided. Yes, should be avoided in case of pregnancy and if there is any immune disorder. So in case of immune disorder, pregnancy and severe reaction to the first dose, so we should have to avoid the coming dose. Health teaching point of view, yes, we mentioned that yes, obviously lateral side effect will be there. So sometimes the parents are too much conscious one. So if let's suppose such problems are there, so you may recommend paracetamol or any other antipyretic drug in order to avoid this problem. So what is the basic summary of today's lecture? So today basically we discuss about the measles, which is one of the acute infectious disease where most commonly skin rashes are there on the entire body system, most commonly the trunk region, as well as the arms, legs, neck region, and such rashes are to be known as maculopapular rashes. Basically this is caused by, this is one of the infectious diseases, so obviously it's caused by RNA type virus and belong to the family Paramyxoviridae. Common sign symptom, so obviously high body temperature, elevated body temperature or high fever, headache, sore throat, runny nose, severe dry coughing and conjunctivitis like condition will be there. Whereas for the incubation is concerned, so most common is 8 to 14 days. Anyhow, the average incubation is 10 to 12 days. Whereas for the general treatment is concerned, so you can never recommend as such directly any antibiotic. Anyhow, you may recommend paracetamol in order to avoid the problem. You may recommend vitamin A drops, especially in case of newborn babies and children. If chance for the secondary problem is there, so obviously you may recommend antibiotic. Whereas for the measles vaccine is concerned, so measles vaccine, this is basically the main objective of this vaccine is to protect the newborn babies and children from the infectious disease to be known as measles. So mostly these vaccines are such measles vaccines are most commonly attenuated in attenuated form. freeze dried one. The first dose should be administered at the age of 9 months. Anyhow, if there is a chance for some epidemic condition, so may you recommend at the age of 6 months. Total number of doses, so obviously for the Asian Society total 2 doses should be administered. The first dose at the age of 9, where the next dose should be administered at the age of 15 months. Route of administration, so obviously you should have to follow the subcutaneous route and should be stored at -15 to -25 degrees centigrade. There is no any such side effect. Anyhow, sometime maybe minor fever, body temperature, pain sensation, the side of administration and swelling condition, so we don't worry. Advise the parents don't worry about this. Contraindication, yes, in case of pregnancy, if there is any reaction to the previous dose, and especially in case of immunodisorder, congenital or acquired immunodisorder condition. And the last one, health teaching point of view, so you may recommend, if the parents too much conscious one, so you may recommend paracetamol or any other antipyretic. So hope you have learned something, and the remaining we will discuss in the coming lecture, inshallah.